In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule in Outlook to move emails. By the end, you'll know how to quickly route messages where they belong and how to fine-tune that behavior using Outlook's built-in rule tools. This is especially helpful if your inbox gets crowded and you want similar emails to land in the right folder automatically. Let's start with the quickest method, which is perfect when you already have a message in your inbox that represents the kind of emails you want to move. Find an email that has the characteristics you care about, such as messages from a specific sender or with a particular subject. Right-click that message, point to Rules, and choose Create Rule. A small window appears showing common conditions based on that message. Here, select where you want matching emails to go by choosing the destination folder. Pick an existing folder that makes sense for you, like a project or notifications folder. When you're ready, click OK to save the rule. From now on, new messages that match those conditions will automatically move to that folder, keeping your inbox cleaner without any extra work on your part. If you want more control, you can create a rule from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab, click Rules, and then select Create Rule. This route gives you the option to start from a template or build a rule from scratch. Templates offer a simple starting point for common needs, while creating from scratch lets you define very specific conditions and actions. Conditions are the if this happens part, like if the email is from a certain sender, contains certain words in the subject, or is sent directly to you. Actions are the then do this part, like move the message to a chosen folder. Take a moment to think through what you want to filter and where it should go, then select the relevant options. When everything looks right, confirm your choices, and Outlook will begin applying the rule to new incoming messages that meet those criteria. A few tips as you go. Keep rule names clear so you can recognize their purpose later. Start simple with 1 or 2 conditions to avoid accidentally moving messages you still need to see in your inbox. And remember, rules work best when you maintain a consistent folder structure that matches how you work. That's it. With a quick right-click or a more customized setup from the Home tab, you can let Outlook do the sorting for you and stay focused on what matters.